Hi, I'm Cody Witterden. Me and my brother Timothy are going to have the best Nerf battle ever. I mean, we've had a bunch of Nerf battles. We've had battles. We have tournaments. We even bet on, sometimes we bet on like dollars and stuff like that. No big $500, something like that. But here's my brother Timothy. If you're wondering who he is. Yeah, he thinks he can beat me in a Nerf battle. That's why he did that, because he thinks he can beat me in a Nerf battle. If you think that you hit like after this video, if you think I'm a better Nerf battler, or if you think he's a better Nerf battler.
Listen here, buddy. You think you can really beat me in a Nerf battle?
Okay, what I said. After this video, click like if you think I'm a better Nerf battler. If you think he is the dumb one, then
sure.
We
won't be talking
share it to Facebook.com. Okay, let's get this Nerf battle started.
By the way, he's going down.
No, trust me, I won't.
Let's go, boy. Go, boy.
Go! He shot me in the butt! Ow, my butt again! Oh! See, he's a little chicken hiding behind the Red Bull can. By the way, that was my Halloween costume. Shot him right in the head. Woo! And my cell phone just went off. Oh! Somebody went in the room. He's coming back. Timothy. And if you guys are looking for some entertainment, not just Nerf battling on this video, well, guess what? You're a lucky person. I'm sexy and I know it. Look at that body. Look at that body. Look at that body. I'm sexy and I know it. Yeah, let's get back to the battle, because he just shot me while I had my shirt off. Oh, okay. We're gonna settle this like men. Ow. Oh. Ah. Now, watch this. If you were wondering what that was, it was my brother's automatic gun, see? Oh!
Timothy, get these upstairs now.
Yeah, so...
Told me yesterday you didn't. Let's go down here this morning.
Yeah, here's some more entertainment. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Hey! Yeah. That's me. Now let's get back to that battle. Hey, get back on your side.
Oh.
See? He's on my side.
Ouch. Oh, that's not my face.
on. Chicken hiding behind a little building thing. Uh-oh. I'm using my really crappy gun. He's using his best gun he can find. I have way better guns. I have at least 15. I have at least 15 Nerf guns. So.
I'll be alive.
Yeah. Oh! Yeah, that was not the best. Oh, I got him. I keep getting him with the whistle ones. I don't know if you can hear the whistle, but there's a whistle in them.
$5, look at that.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I did not expect that. Yeah, well, that's your Nerf battle, folks. And remember, if you think I'm a better Nerf battler, click like after this video. If you think Timothy's a better Nerf battler, share this video on Facebook. We'll find out who's the best Nerf battler. And it's me. And he's not a better Nerf battler. He's not a better Nerf battler just because he has a automatic. I have an automatic too. A Tommy gun. But you know what? That does not mean he's better because he has that one. It just makes him lazy because he has to do an automatic and doesn't have to cock. I cock it and I'm not lazy. Yep, we'll see you next time on Nerf Battles X5. Woo, woo, woo. Peace out.